God.
I was sweet just so you know that the phone there. How are you doing iPhone?
You're too fast. Jeez.
I don't know what sweet is so nowadays they just a skin off your teeth in iPhone. So what go on in iPhone nowadays?
Oh please. Me can't go on my phone again.
Nope. You know so you used to be upon your phone.
Really?
Yeah.
A new year now.
Yeah, New Year's and you a bad behavior.
Why? How is that bad behavior?
Alright. Don't worry yourself.
I don't know if you have to hear.
Don't worry yourself.
You don't know if you have to. I go to the kitchen here. I get something to eat. Get something to eat, yeah. But hold on there. You know, so I shouldn't leave my phone. Come here, trust me now. You might go looking at my phone, you know. I'm going to go back for my phone. Give me my phone, yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
The Parchment fam.
Alright, and happy new year, happy 2021
Yes,
to
happy
each and
New
every
Year.
one. And hopefully it's better than last year.
It will.
Alright, so
Yes.
basically today, as you know, today is Sunday and we're finally back with
Sit down Sundays.
yeah, so we're finally back. This is our first one in a few weeks.
The first one.
And it's the first one for the year as well.
Yes,
So
we're excited.
we are excited about that, and we know we promised that we were gonna go live on New Year's Eve, but we got caught up doing a lot of different
No, we
things,
fall asleep.
and then we fall asleep after that. So basically we yeah, we kind of had a mishap as far as you know, because we didn't go as we did anticipate when we did the video and tell them we were gonna go
And
live.
and not only that, when you think about New Year's Eve, most people either with their families
are
or you know
out
they're
watching fireworks,
watching fireworks or something like that. So it wouldn't make any sense either.
Yeah, so there
Yes.
won't be much people online anyways.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is our first episode back for our sit down Sundays. Alright.
Yes. So we have another interesting topic
So
today.
this topic we're gonna talk about searching your partner's phone.
Yes. How we feel about
Do you do it? Do you think it is right or wrong? This is what we're gonna discuss today and see. We wanna see. You can comment your opinions below, and we'll definitely have a conversation in the comment section. All right. So let's get into the video. All right. So we're gonna start off with our topic.
Yes.
All right. So
as
far as searching partner's phone, in my opinion, I don't think it is right.
Yes.
You know, some people think it is right and some people do it, but for me, I don't do it and I don't think it is right. So
Some
what do
people,
you think?
I don't even think they think it is right. They don't care.
Yeah,
They
some
just,
people don't care,
yeah.
or they're probably insecure, or
a lot of times it's from
a
insecurity.
lot of times it's also imagination. They think all kind of things and think they need to search their partner phone in order to have a peace of mind. So
Which honestly, the only thing you do, I give you a headache.
yeah, it don't make any sense.
Yeah, I don't think it's right either, and we don't do it. We don't search each other's phone, and the irony of it is that we know each other's code to go in our phone, but we don't search each other's phone. Like there's no need to. If I feel like if you need to search your partner's phone, then you have bigger issues in the relationship. If you have to
and some people they just nosy, you know. They don't even have an issue. They
especially
just nosy.
I think it's mostly a woman thing. Don't
Yeah,
it?
I think they just nosy. Cause I would say men search woman phone too.
Yeah, they do.
So but I think it's just a need to know thing.
It can stem from a lot of things.
Yeah, like past issues they had, issues they had in the past.
So trust issues, insecurities, jealousies. There's so many things that can cause it, but that's why I said if you feel the need to search your partner's phone, then you have bigger issues that you need to address besides searching the phone.
Yeah, and sometimes they can't even address it. It's just their nature. You just a part of their life where they think they need to search each other's phone.
They just need to know everything. You know, they need to, and then they start the other person's social media page too. Yeah, people that do.
Yeah, as soon as you post something, they see it. They have a problem with it and all kind of stuff.
Like,
so.
What kind of picture that you just post, or you know?
Yeah, it's
stuff like that.
Some people they just is an insecure issue, I think, and trust issue, as I say. So it has a lot to do with that. Yeah, a lot of it I think have to do with insecurity or jealousy or something. You know?
Yeah, definitely. Trust issues.
Yeah.
So yeah, like we say, we don't do that. Like sometimes he has my phone doing a video or something like that. Elsewhere, you know, I'm not worried that he's gonna find something that he's not supposed to find, because if you have to hide something on your phone, then like I said, you have other issues going on.
Yeah, and that's not the only thing either. I remember both of us would watch videos on each other's phone. Nobody now hide, say, a message might come in, or you know.
Yes, like can you imagine you're there on the phone and watch it 2 hours watching, and then one message just come in up at the top and you can't see exactly what it's saying.
Yeah, so
it's like
all them things.
Some people can't do that none at all, no, because they're just afraid something come in where they're not supposed to see, where the other person not supposed to see. Yeah,
or a person call them where they know, you know. A person not gonna get suspicious with a name there that call an ID there or something. Yeah, but we don't really have an issue with that as far as one of us worrying about searching each other's phone or something like that. That is not something we really think about.
Yeah, we never had an issue with it, and I don't think we will in the future.
Yeah, and if you come to that point where you need to do that, it don't make sense. Stick around the person for what reason?
It don't
make any sense. If we have to do that with that person, it don't make any sense. It just a big waste of time. And you're giving yourself a headache, unnecessary headache.
Yeah, because can you imagine you're there and you actually are going at the phone.
Yeah,
a search to find something, like you actually have go look for something. It's almost like you look for a problem, you know.
Yeah, it's like they say no trouble when no trouble here. So.
And the reality of it, if your partner want to go out and do something, searching their phone,
You're not gonna stop it. And definitely searching the phone now. You not stop it. You not help it. Nothing. You know?
It just don't make no sense. So
that's
why I got time for that.
Yeah, nobody really don't have time for that.
Well, other people have time for it, but we don't have time for that.
Yeah, so I guess with this topic, a lot of people out there with that issue.
Yes, there's a lot of people, and I know there might be people watching this video that does it, and we're not condemning anyone that does it. That's you and your relationship. Everybody have what works for their relationship, but for us, we just don't do it. We don't see the need to do it, and it just don't make any sense. You know, just cause unnecessary problems.
That is not, because I don't even, if you're somebody phone ringing, I don't even like answer it much.
Yes, that's the next thing.
They have to get a missed call and the person calling back, because I'm not gonna answer it either. So basically, when you come to that searching phone thing or being inquisitive around the other person's phone or something like that, that is not me. I don't mess with people's phone, and I don't want anybody mess with my phone like that.
Yeah. Like sometimes you're in the bathroom and the phone and ring me ear tap every one thing might say, you know, say phone did I ring some can get alerted because maybe something important. But besides that, I'm like,
yeah, we never really worry about each other phone or try to search with other phone.
Yeah, it really don't make any sense. And I think it stems from insecurities, and I think you need to deal with the insecurities that's causing you to want to search your phone instead of say tell the person don't go in your phone, or you know, something like that, instead of have a big argument about why you search my phone or whatever that. I mean, you need to get to the bottom of it.
And you can't change a person's personality anyways.
You cannot, but if they have insecurities, then you can deal with that.
If they're the kind of person who like to search phone, you let them know, and if they cannot stop, then you know, you find other means of dealing with it. But
I believe
that's just their style.
It is their style, but I believe there's also cases where the other person give the person a reason to want to, but I don't think even if the person is giving you a reason. So say for example you get very secretive with your phone and certain things you do, you have to go out a door, go talk on phone, or you whisper all of them something there. I don't think you're still supposed to go search a person's phone to talk to the person about it if you have a problem. Right, so that's the main thing.
That is the main way we deal with it.
That's the main thing, you're still, even if you have a reason to, or the person, even if the person cheated in the past and it was phone that lead to it, or social media or something like that, it's still best that you and the person have a conversation about it.
Yeah, instead of searching for the phone behind them back and
it just not a bigger problem.
Sometimes it can be you can get a problem out of nothing, because it can be a family member say, hey, what a go on, then say who this or text you, like, you know what I mean?
A lot of times that happens.
The person who texts in and then you blow it out with a proportion, you find out it's a family member.
Like you said, sometimes in your mind, like you said, sometimes a family member takes and in your head you start work up all kind of something and then cause a big argument out of nothing.
Yeah, not saying that's the case all the while, but that can happen as well. So you have to be careful when you come to those kind of stuff, alright?
Yeah, the best thing, like we say, is to talk about it instead of go search the phone. That's what we think.
Yeah, and we don't do it. If you do it, you can comment and tell you the reason why you do it below, and we definitely have a conversation in the comment section. So I guess this is a short one and short topic. I guess a lot of people can relate to this topic as well.
Yeah.
So that is the end of another episode of Sit Down Sundays. And again, Happy New Year. If you're new to the channel, remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have another upload. For regular viewers, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Alright, so that's the end of another video. What do you have to say?
Peace out.
Peace
Bye.
out. Bye.